everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to verify your identity KYC in PayPal app. First of all, open the PayPal app and log in. Tap the profile and then profile gear icon and then go to settings and then go to security, and after that click on confirm identity. Next, enter your personal information, full name, date of birth and address quickly exactly as on your government ID. Upload a government ID issued ID. Upload a government issued ID, passport, driver license or national ID, and a selfie if requested. Next, follow any additional prompts such as linking a bank account or a card to complete verification. Privacy tip: only upload IDs directly through the official PayPal app or paypal.com. Never share photos elsewhere. Quick fix: if the verification stalls, ensure photos are clear and valid. Retry through paypal.com in Safari if the app glitches. Contact PayPal support with screenshots of any errors. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.